Hello everyone, welcome to CUET General Knowledge episode. Let's start today's episode. First question is, the Gulag Archipelago is a famous work written by which author? Option A, Leo Tolstoy. Option B, Fyodor Dostoevsky. Option C, Alexander Solzhenitsyn. Option D, Anton Chekhov. The correct answer is option C, Alexander Solzhenitsyn. The Gulag Archipelago is a 3-volume non-fiction work by Alexander Solzhenitsyn documenting the Soviet-forced labor camp system. Next question is, the Treaty of Nanking of 1842 marked the end of which war? Option A, Opium War. Option B, World War I. Option C, Crimean War. Option D, the Napoleonic Wars. The correct answer is option A, Opium War. The Treaty of Nanking, signed in 1842, ended the First Opium War between China and Britain. Next question is, which river flows through the Grand Canyon? Option A, Mississippi River. Option B, Colorado River. Option C, Nile River. Option D, Missouri River. The correct answer is option B, Colorado River. The Colorado River flows through the Grand Canyon in the US, carving out the canyon over millions of years. Next question is, the Parthenon is an ancient temple located in which city? Option A, Athens. Option B, Rome. Option C, Cairo. Option D, London. The correct answer is option A, Athens. The Parthenon is an ancient Greek temple located in Athens, dedicated to the goddess Athena. Next question is, the Sakharov Prize for Freedom of Thought is awarded by which institution? Option A, United Nations. Option B, European Parliament. Option C, Nobel Foundation. Option D, World Health Organization. The correct answer is option B, European Parliament. The Sakharov Prize is awarded annually by the European Parliament to individuals or organizations dedicated to defending human rights. Next question is, the famous ancient city of Babylon was located in which modern-day country? Option A, Iraq. Option B, Egypt. Option C, Iran. Option D, Syria. The correct answer is option A, Iraq. Babylon, once one of the most important cities in the ancient world, is located near the modern city of Hilla in Iraq. Next question is, the first synthetic polymer, Bakelite, was invented by which scientist? Option A, Alexander Graham Bell. Option B, Leo Baekeland. Option C, Thomas Edison. Option D, John Bardi. The correct answer is option B, Leo Baekeland. Leo Baekeland invented Bakelite, the first synthetic plastic polymer, in 1907. Next question is, the Venus de Milo is a famous sculpture located in which museum? Option A, British Museum. Option B, Louvre Museum. Option C, Uffizi Gallery. Option D, Metropolitan Museum of Art. The correct answer is option B, Louvre Museum. The Venus de Milo, an ancient Greek statue, is housed in the Louvre Museum in Paris. Next question is, the ancient Library of Alexandria was located in which modern-day city? Option A, Cairo. Option B, Alexandria. Option C, Athens. Option D, Rome. The correct answer is option B, Alexandria. The Library of Alexandria was an ancient library in the city of Alexandria, Egypt, and was one of the largest and most significant libraries in the ancient world. Last question is, the Mughal Empire in India was founded by which ruler? Option A, Akbar. Option B, Babur. Option C, Shah Jahan. Option D, Humayun. The correct answer is option B, Babur. A descendant of Taimur and Genghis Khan, founded the Mughal Empire in 1526 after his victory at the Battle of Panipat. Now it's time for practice question. The Indian Independence Act was passed in which year? Option A, 1940. Option B, 1945. Option C, 1947. Or option D, 1950. Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.